Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to remove account warning on TikTok. I will walk you through the process step by step, so keep watching this video until the very end. Do not make any mistake in the process. You will receive this account warning if your content violates any community guidelines. If your videos didn't violate, sometimes we get this type of warning mistakenly. Now to fix this problem, firstly you need to open the TikTok app. The only way to fix this problem is to report a problem to TikTok and get back your account. Now to report a problem, head over to the profile section and then again tap on three lines on the top right. Next you have to tap on settings and privacy, and from the setting and privacy section scroll to the bottom of the page. You can see report a problem in support and about section. Tap on it and again scroll to the bottom of the page, and then you can see submit a report button. Tap on it and here you need to type in a report that you haven't violated any kind of community guidelines and you want to remove account warning from your account. You can type in something like this. After that you need to tap on submit button to report a problem. After a few days you will receive an email or feedback from TikTok, then your account warning will be removed from your account. That's all we can do in this problem. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more similar videos. Thank you for watching.